Good evening, everybody. Fan Steve here once again. This is my newest and latest fan acquisition. This is a 16-inch Lasko window fan, and I do believe it is from the 50s. This is something that we got off of eBay, and it delivered just today. My brother found this for me, and it was literally just listed, and we got a good deal off of it too. Not exactly sure if many of these are on YouTube. I did look around, and I probably found like only one, and I think it was by Whiskey Lizard. His was a slightly different model. His had the rounder style Lasko logo on it. The fan is in dang near mint condition. There's hardly any rust or scuffs on this thing at all. The fan does run. It works very well. And pretty much everything to it is original except for the plug. I know that this was replaced at one point. I am gonna be just be putting a fresh new plug on this. I mean, I don't think there's anything wrong with it, but I'm not too reliable of it. Other than that, cord's in really good shape. There's no freighting anywhere. I didn't see any exposed copper wiring. Solid steel body. And I'm pretty sure that the blades are aluminum. Really cool, really neat thing about this. This is a reversible, but all you do is you just spin the fan around for exhaust. And I think that was definitely the simpler, more accurate idea of exhaust back then. Since we do have the fan turnaround, there is the back. And I do believe that is an RMR motor, by the way. Everything on this appears to be really clean. A little dirty in there. A little dirty there on the inside, but I think it'll clean up well. Even the guards are in really good condition, which gives me the indication that this thing was in a really good environment. The fan is a 2-speed, however, there is some issues with the switch. It is a little sticky and a little flaky. Maybe there's something that I can do to fix this. Maybe I'll just have to deoxidate it. But it does work. Like I said, it's a 2-speed. Another really cool thing about this is a look at the inside of the window panel here. That looks really good and clean too. Has these little slats here on the side for mounting it in the window. And these do extend too, by the way. You just unloosen these screws, and these extend out. Really, really cool fan. Beautiful piece. 4-blader aqua blue mid-century, which I absolutely love, and I know that I'm gonna have a blast with this thing. Uh, I really hit it big time. Really hit it big time with this, given with the good price that it was. And as rare as these things probably are, they hold such sentimental value that these things probably could have given a little more. So I think it was a reasonable price on this thing, with its condition, cosmically and electrically. So yeah, and the best part about it is that there's really not a whole lot that I'm going to have to do to this. I think all this needs really is just a little cleaning. I am going to be servicing the motor, and I'm pretty sure, well, I can't see it. I'm pretty sure that the blade is mounted on with a set screw. I don't know. I mean, I'll know for sure when I get it apart. So, well, I guess I'll go ahead and I'll start this up for you guys, and we shall see it in action. Well, what do you know? The fan just sits up. Maybe you can see that. Or I'll just set it up on my desk here. Alright, I think that'll work. Alright, I don't know what is what here, but here we go. Alright. Well, so I guess that's the high speed. This thing is very powerful too. Nice and quiet. A little chatter there. Very well balanced. There's hardly no vibration to it. So luckily I won't have to do anything with the blades. Okay, let's turn it down to the low speed. Well, obviously the low speed is not working, which I do believe to be related to the switch. So, and it's definitely going to need some oil and some cleaning. So, of course, there will be a little restoration on this. Anyway, really neat fan. Very happy to have it. Um, this is what I worked for, and I finally got it. And hopefully, this should be with me for a very long time. Well, there you have it, everybody. My newest fan acquisition, 1950 16-inch Lasko window fan. And be sure to check out my post on iHeart Fans too, by the way, if you can. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. And until the next one, I will see you then.